Hello everyone, and welcome back to Beautiful Rose Garden. If you enjoy learning simple and effective gardening tips, especially for our beloved roses, please consider subscribing to the channel. That way, you won't miss out on future ideas. And if you have any thoughts or experiences with growing roses, please share them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Today, I'm so excited to share a truly fascinating method. We'll learn how to propagate rose cuttings using something you probably already have in your kitchen: rice. Yes, rice grains. And the best part is, we're aiming for a 100% success rate without any complicated fertilizers. So let's get started. Step 1, prepare your rose cutting. Choose a healthy rose branch. It doesn't need to be brand new, but it should look strong and free from disease. Remove all the leaves. This helps the cutting save energy for new roots instead of supporting old leaves. Measure about 15 centimeters of the stem, roughly the length of your palm. Cut it diagonally at the base with clean shears or a sharp knife. The angled cut gives more surface area to absorb nutrients. Step 2, garlic and lemon, our natural helpers. Now let's prepare our secret ingredients, garlic and lemon. Garlic is like a little white doctor. It disinfects and protects against fungi. Slice 1 or 2 cloves thinly. That's enough. Next, take half a lemon. Squeeze a little juice into a small cup. Lemon juice is like golden sunshine. Its citric acid helps stimulate root growth and prevents harmful bacteria. Step 3, a special meal from rice. Add 2 tablespoons of uncooked rice into the cup with lemon juice. Rice may seem unusual, but it contains nutrients that feed the cutting. Add the thin garlic slices to the cup. Then pour in about 100 milliliters of water. Stir well. Now place the cut end of the rose stem into this mixture. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the cutting a nutrient boost and protection. Step 4, a warm and humid bed. While the stem is soaking, prepare a second cup. Fill it tightly with rolled up paper towels. This will act like a soft blanket, holding moisture around the stem. After soaking, strain the rice and garlic pieces. Keep only the liquid. Pour this liquid into the paper towel cup. The towels will absorb it and stay moist.
Vâng. Con đầu nó sang về U rồi à? Thảo nào con cứ đi tìm mãi không thấy. Cô nhắn cho con ơ cao với, không biết là bị lợn đi đâu nhiều lắm. Tuyến ép à hay là còn không biết là còn truyền hình nó đi đâu nữa cơ. Rồi con biết rồi. Rồi ok U. Bao tiền đấy U?
Step 5. The mini greenhouse. Insert the rose cutting halfway into the moist paper towels. Make sure the base is inside and the top is exposed to air. Cover the cup with a clear plastic bag. Seal the bottom with tape. This creates a small greenhouse that locks in moisture. Step 6. Wait and watch the miracle. Place the setup in a cool, shaded spot. After about 5 days, you should see condensation inside the bag. That's a good sign. It means moisture is being retained. Over time, little drops of water form like promises of new life. And then, the exciting moment arrives. When you open the bag, you may see tiny new roots at the base of the cutting. From what was once just a stem, a new life begins. Step 7. Transplant to a new home. When healthy roots appear, it's time for a permanent home. Prepare a pot with good quality potting mix. Coconut coir works beautifully. It's soft, holds moisture, and allows air circulation. Place some coir at the bottom. Make a small hole in the center. Carefully move the rooted cutting from the paper towel cup. Be gentle with the fragile roots. Place it in the hole, then fill the pot with coir around the stem. Water lightly to moisten the soil. And that's it. Your rose cutting now has a new home where it can grow strong. Thank you so much for joining me in the beautiful rose garden today. I hope you'll try this simple and effective method to propagate your own roses. If you do, please share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear your success stories. See you in the next video. Bye for now.